6th graders, how are you? Welcome to Baiju 6th, 7th and 8th channel. I'm Saurabh and today we are here because we are doing rapid revision, the last lap. And today we are covering the chapter called as Fun with Magnets. Very nice, very simple chapter, but sometimes we face difficulty in this chapter, right? So don't worry, today we'll finish this whole chapter in 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, that's true, we can do that. And I'll also tell you by the end of this session, 3 things. First, obviously, we'll finish the whole chapter, means this chapter will be crystal clear to you. We'll revise it fully, right? Second, I'll tell you a way how to revise yourself, self-study, how to do the best kind of self-study. This is something I'll tell you, how to make your own notes, own personalized notes. And third is how to solve questions. I mean, if you know all the concepts but you can't solve questions, it's as good as having powers but never being able to use them, right? So, today I'll tell you how to practice questions and if you get stuck, how to get the solutions. So these 3 things I'll let you know by the end of the session. That's a promise from my side and you will promise to understand and listen very carefully. So, if you love what we do, then like and subscribe if you're someone new. So, let's begin. First, this chapter covers this small topic called as natural versus artificial magnets. भाई what is natural? Natural क्या होता है? Natural magnets वही है ना जो nature में पाई जाती हैं, right? The one which are found in nature, that is natural magnets. Artificial magnets क्या होते हैं? जिनको हम बनाते हैं, right? They are not naturally occurring. So, natural magnets, yes, they are found in nature. Like you must have heard the story of, and there's a very nice video in our Baiju's app, right? Regarding, yes, Magnus. Correct. He found the lodestone. By accident, of course. But it's a very nice story. This is like lodestones are naturally occurring magnets and artificial ones which we create. Yes, we can. And today we'll learn how to create your own magnets also. Don't worry. They are found in different shapes and sizes. All of these, you don't believe that इस तरह से magnets पाए जाते होंगे, right? You won't find that nice red and blue colored of horseshoe magnet buried in the earth. No, you won't find that. So this is something, all these are artificial magnets. Natural magnets are very ugly. They're very irregular. You can't just say which one is this, right? So horseshoe magnet, cylindrical magnet, bar magnet, ring magnet, lodestone is the naturally occurring magnet, correct? Fine. Next, poles of magnet. Every magnet, whatever magnet you take, it will have two points or 2 ends where the magnetic force will be maximum. Those ends are called as poles of a magnet. Ends of a magnet where the attraction is maximum, where the magnetic force is maximum. You know? Magnet has the maximum strength at poles. Bar magnet, and we said there are 2 poles, north pole and south pole. In bar magnet, the 2 extreme ends. This is the north pole, this is the south pole. In horseshoe magnet, this is north, this is south. Ring magnet mein, one face is north and one face is south. And cylindrical magnet is almost like a bar magnet, right? North and south. Easy? Okay. Now comes a very interesting question. Every magnet has 2 poles. What if I break a magnet from between? If I take that bar magnet and break it in between like a Kit Kat, kadak, what do you think? Will I get only north and only south? है ना? इससे दिमाग में आता होगा ना? You just break it from between. क्या मिलेगा तुमको? Will you get only north pole and only south pole? No, that is not the case. I told you, if something is a magnet, कितना ही छोटा क्यों ना हो, उसके 2 poles होंगे. यानी कि if you break one magnet into 2 magnets, what will you get? You will get each magnet will behave like 2 individual magnets. तो क्या होगा? If you break it from here, this will be north pole, this will be south pole. This will be north pole and this will be south pole, right? So, if you break one magnet and you get 2 magnets, how many poles now you have? You have 4 poles, correct? Previously you had only 2 poles. So, these kind of questions are very common. ये बड़े commonly पूछ लिए जाते हैं, बड़े आसान question होते हैं, but sometimes people get confused. You will not be confused and don't worry, I'll tell you how to practice questions. Yeah, relax. Next, interaction between poles of a magnet. Think about it. Unlike poles, they don't like each other. Is it? No. Unlike poles like each other, but like poles don't like each other. Unlike poles, when they face each other, they attract. जब नॉर्थ देखता है साउथ को क्या बोलता है? अरे बगल में बैठिए, कहाँ जा रहे हैं आप? राइट? सो Unlike poles, they attract each other, but like poles, they don't like each other. Like poles repel. So north south attract, south north attract, north north repel, south south repel. So clear, right? Next is finding directions. Magnets. For a very long time we have been using magnets to find our way. आपको सही राह पे लेके आती है magnet. Looks very philosophical, but this is the truth. Compass. Compass is nothing, it's just a device which has a small magnet in between. और ये magnet बताता है तुमको कि where you have to go. This is north, this is east, this is south. Yes, this is something which is very, very special. This is the directional property of a magnet. Now, if you are on Earth, why is this magnet able to tell where is north? There must be something, na? भाई, a magnet will only respond to another magnet. Yes or no? एक मैग्नेट किसकी सुनेगा? दूसरे मैग्नेट की. If there are like poles, it will get repelled. If there are unlike poles, it will get attracted. If near a magnet you bring a plastic piece, बोलेगा मुझे क्या मतलब है? I don't care. So magnet will only listen to another magnet. But if this compass magnet needle, this is a small magnet needle ना, अगर ये magnetic needle respond कर रहा है, मतलब Earth should have something magnetic about it. क्या है? Earth is also a magnet. Earth is a huge but a weak magnet, and this is how the poles of the Earth's magnet are aligned. North pole of the Earth, the geographic null, the geographic north, उत्तर की तरफ है ना, हम क्या बोलते हैं? पूर्व पश्चिम उत्तर दक्षिण in हिंदी. So east west north south. North और उत्तर, the disha, the direction of north. This magnet always points towards the north side, which this red wala part, correct है ना? So north pole of this magnetic needle is pointing towards north pole of the Earth, which means कि यार this north pole and that north pole cannot be same, because if both are north, they should repel. Earth की तरफ अगर attract हो रहा है, think about it. If this is the north pole of the magnet, it is getting attracted towards Earth का pole, which we are calling north pole. It cannot be magnetic north pole. क्योंकि अगर ये नॉर्थ पोल होता सच में मैग्नेटिक वाला, then this north pole of magnet should have repelled. ये उल्टा दिखाता. But if it is getting attracted, this is because this geographic north pole of Earth actually में is magnetic south pole of the Earth. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? North pole of compass points towards north pole of the Earth, which is right, because inside your head you know north pole of Earth is actually a magnetic south pole. समझे बात को? People get confused in this quite a lot. You will not be. ठीक है? Fine. Earth का geographic north pole is the magnetic south pole, and geographic south pole is the magnetic north pole. That is the reason north pole of your compass needle is pointing towards north pole of the Earth. Clear? Yes or no? Very good. Before the next topic, I want to tell you something very important. Something which is very special for all the students. क्या? How to make your own notes. The biggest problem we all face is कि हम लोग जब पढ़ते हैं फिर रिवीजन के टाइम पे we don't know how to revise. We don't have proper notes. Sometimes teachers give notes, sometimes they don't. Sometimes we have made the notes, sometimes we don't. Questions कहाँ से करें? NCERT लगाएं, solution कहाँ मिलेगा? अटक गए तो क्या होगा? All of these questions, and that's why this is something very, very, very important for you. So listen very carefully. देखो, if you go to this Byju's the Learning app, we have this chapter Fun with Magnets. This is the active learn section. In your grade, if you can have fun and also learn, that's the best thing. Active learn is your. Next is revise section. ये एग्जाम के लिए सबसे जरूरी चीज है. All these, my friends, are summary cards. ये notes हैं बने बनाए तुम्हारे पास, and they are personalized. मतलब whatever you feel like, you tend to forget. मान लो तुम भूलते हो steps to magnetize, इसको bookmark कर दो, है ना? Bookmark it. Keep scrolling. Then you bookmark whatever things you tend to forget. You are creating your own notes, by the way. Then important questions. If you see, all these are the most important questions. NCERT complete, exemplar complete, and all other books important questions. You will get text solutions plus video solutions. सारी चीजें इस एक ऐप में मिल जाएंगी तुमको. Then उसके बाद आप अगर बाहर आओगे, है ना? You will explore the app. We have all these videos, which है ना? ये सारे videos हैं. Revise में if you go again, you have all these tests for you. और उसके अलावा आप जब जाओगे उस bookmark वाले section में, whatever you bookmarked, that is yours. तुम घूम रहे हो, you are traveling, you can just open the bookmark section, whatever you feel like you tend to forget, you click on that and you revise. ये फोन के अंदर तुम्हारे पूरे पूरे स्टडी मटेरियल इज ऑल योर्स. ये उन बच्चों के लिए है who like to self study. ये ऐप ऐसा नहीं होगा सर पे डंडा बजा के बोलेगा कि पढ़ अभी पढ़ ना. इट इज योर्स. You want to self study, if you get stuck, this is there to help. It's like a silent teacher who's there whenever you need him, right? This is yours. So people, by the way, all these are free features. Explore them. How to acquire the app, I'll tell you by the end. ठीक है? चलो आ गया. Next, Earth as a magnet. I just told you, Earth is a huge but a weak magnet. Used for finding directions, gone. Compass. Compass works. Why? Because Earth has its own magnetic field also. Device which we used to get directions. Compass. Clear? ठीक है. Earth का geographic north pole is the magnetic south pole. We just understood that. And geographic south pole is the magnetic north pole. Right. अब very common question क्या होता है कि describe an activity to show that compass or a magnet can have directional properties. You take a bar magnet, you hold it from middle, एक धागे से बांध दो, है ना? Just tie it in the middle from a thread and give it a small tap. This bar magnet will again and again keep itself aligned in the north and south direction of the earth. क्यों? क्योंकि इसको attraction मिल रहा है उस तरफ से. Fine, okay. How to store magnets? This is something I bookmarked in that summary section, no? How to store a magnet? कैसे store करना चाहिए? कैसे भी लिया magnet और डाल दिया drawer के अंदर, done? बस नहीं. That is not the right way, because you might have noticed if you buy a new magnet today, it works very nice. After a few years, if you tend to forget, तुम भूल गए रख के, तुमको अचानक से magnet, अरे वाह, I found a magnet I used to use in my second grade. मैं अपनी second grade में use करता था, ठीक है. You took the magnet and now it is not a magnet anymore. Magnets lose their properties. Why? That's not something we'll discuss today. But how to make sure they stay for a longer time? You should know the right methods to store, and it's a very common question asked in your exams. क्या है question? बार मैग्नेट को स्टोर कैसे करना चाहिए? भाई ध्यान से देखो. Opposite poles are facing each other but not touching each other. What do you mean? We have two magnets. This is south, this is north. And for the other magnet, this is north and this is south. Correct? In between we have a wooden piece. In between them we have a wooden piece. And top and bottom पे क्या है? Top पे we have soft iron. Soft iron is a material. It's not like iron which is soft. No, it's a material. Soft iron. ठीक है? And bottom में we have soft iron again. So दो bar magnets, उसके बीच में एक wooden piece, ऊपर soft iron, नीचे soft iron. This is a best way to store a magnet and it will remain magnet for a very long time. Next, horseshoe magnet बहुत आसान है. एक बस soft iron लगाना है नीचे, that's it. So you should know these methods of storing magnets so that it does not lose its magnetic properties. Clear? Okay. Next is the question. As we discussed, artificial magnets we can create. How to make your own magnet? How to magnetize? It's a very common question. Give steps of magnetizing an iron bar. This is the step. क्या करना है? The method of rubbing. You take a bar magnet, which is a magnet, and you take an iron piece. उसके बाद क्या करो? You start from one side, you rub, and then you lift. Start, rub, lift. Keep, rub, lift. Start, rub, lift. Start, rub, lift. You keep doing this for a minute or two. 30, 40 times if you do this, you will realize this iron strip will start to behave like a magnet. Alright? So, if you start from this side, it will become the south pole. If you lift from that side, that will become the north pole. Okay? So this kind of a cycle will make this strip to be a magnet. Weak, but yes, it will get magnetized. ठीक है ना? ये method लिखने को आ जाता है. You should know how to write this. फिर आता है demagnetization. If you can create a magnet, can you destroy a magnet? Feel like so powerful? No, I can destroy a magnet. No. If you are thinking, I'll just break it into pieces, that is not the right way. Demagnetization means you have to kill it from inside. It's a strong word, but I would say you are destroying its magnetic properties. It will remain as a bar. The magnet will look like a magnet, but it will lose the magnetic properties. How could you do that? There are multiple ways. First, heating a magnet. If you heat a magnet, it will lose its magnetic properties. Second, hammering a magnet. And when I say hammering, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है इसको लिया और जोर से टक मारा और वो टूट के दूर गया. नहीं, I'm saying hammering मतलब टक 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 टक, ठीक है? टक 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 टक, ठीक है? Hammering. Slowly, if you hammer the magnet and you keep doing this for a long time, demagnetize. Dropping a magnet from a height. Again, dropping a magnet does not mean you will go to the 14th floor of your building and you will drop the magnet from there. No, it means dropping tuck, tuck. It's like hammering only. Keep dropping it multiple times. That is something which will destroy a magnet, demagnetize a magnet. Next, no proper storage. That's something we know. If you store in an improper way, it will lose the magnetic properties. And what is the proper way? We just learned. ये हमने पढ़ लिया था, ठीक है? So, ये सारी बात हो गई, correct? अब, the answer of your question, the best education app in the world, कैसे मिलेगा तुमको? How can you be part of it? Let me tell you. This is live. If you go to a link in the description, shop.byju's.com, these self-study packs are live and they are for you. Yes, they are payable because all the videos, all the content which is very, very powerful, very much visualization proof, right? I won't say visualization proof, I would say full of visualization, है ना? जो तुमको देख के समझ में आएगा, कुछ भी हो जाए. That's a guarantee, right? So ये सारी चीजें के आपके पास इस पैक में है. If you want to go for June 2024, it's only 4,000. September, May 2025, May 25, you can think about it. Almost per month ये पड़ रहा है लगभग how many? Less than 1,000 rupees. It's like the cheapest tuition you can have. A teacher which will be there whenever you need him. The teacher will not dance on your head. Fine. So all of this is for you and you will get class 5 free till May 24. ये सारी चीजें, check out this page. It's a very nice page, specially created for you so that you don't have any problem in finding the app. Guys, it's a very good deal. So people, if you loved this video, if you learned everything new and you learned how to make your own notes and practice good questions, do subscribe to the channel because we'll keep coming back with very, very, very interesting content for all of you. All the best for your exams and take care. We'll see each other again. Like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.